Hi guys, today we have another basic unboxing. It's a camera handle photo holder. It supports wireless charging and taking pictures. Okay, so we got different colors. I think this one particularly is the gun color. I'm not entirely sure, there's no ticks on it or anything. So what do we have on there? Okay, so we got rated voltage between 5 and 9 volts DC. We've got battery capacity of 2000 milliamp hours. That's for the shutter button. Material is ABS, and you also got PU magnets, and the rated current is 2 amp storage, which means you can potentially charge up to 18 watts wireless charging. List phone holder manual Type-C charging cable. Okay, so that's what you got. List. So that's supposed to be phone holder, manual, and Type-C. Phone holder is the actual, obviously, item itself. Okay. Take this one out of the way. Some support service, which is always nice to have. Other ways to solve problems: 7 to 15 days. Wow. Okay. Wasn't expecting much else, to be fair. So a bit of a description here for the item. What language is that? Nope. Not good to me, that. Okay, user manual, bottom. So you got take a picture button, switch, lights, the magnet, the charging hole, and that's about it. Okay. So that's the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Looks a bit short, to be fair. Yeah, that's about what, 2 feet, maybe. Yeah, possibly, or maybe just 1 foot. Maybe it's 1 foot. Yeah, sorry. Short cable, nevertheless, and that's the. Wow. Okay, this is the product. Oh, okay. I don't know how I feel about that. So that's the shutter button. You can't really take it off. So you got the shutter button, power button, switch it on and off. Okay, so it's blinking the lights. So it's in pairing mode now. So basically what it is with this, you can have the phone here and then use this wireless charging as well. If you've got wireless charging battery, or you can put another MagSafe item. Let me just see if I can use a phone just to get a bit of an idea. So this is just a Samsung SE2, oh sorry, iPhone SE2. Okay, so it's a bit short. You see my SE, obviously it's a small phone to begin with. My son uses it most of the time. That's how you're supposed to hold it for some portrait photos, to be fair. That way feels a lot more comfortable. The magnet is strong. That's not falling. No, not falling. So I'm sure the shutter button works. I'm not going to test it. I don't feel like testing anyway. But basically you can attach other attachments there, lights, batteries and stuff like that if you need to. And this will then, if you got a battery, this will then wirelessly charge your phone. Now, I'm not entirely sure how much this cost. I mean, it does the job. I can hold it like this and take pictures. Possibly, maybe keep it like that, standing. Yeah. It's just that when I grab it like this, at least with this phone, It's not too bad, to be fair. It's still a bit more comfortable than just holding it like this and then trying to press the shutter button. But it's still comfortable. Now the quality of execution, I'll be honest with you guys, don't be expecting much as a quality. This is proper plastic hollow, you know. If it was me designing this, at least I would have put something like at least a bit of heft on this end. I don't know, fill it with sand or something. This side where all the stuff is happening, all the magic is happening, is actually heavier. This end, maybe put a bigger battery, or I don't know. Yeah, very cheaply made. You know, I wouldn't mind buying this for my son, you know, to use. But I can't recommend to someone who is wants to be a bit of an enthusiast with photography. It's not. I think they'll get a bit demoralized with this item. Yeah, I'm not going to recommend it unless you want to buy something like a, you know, for your son to hold his phone and take pictures. If he's like a very young enthusiast, he may like it. I don't know. We're talking maybe 10 years old, 9 years old, something like that. You know, just take pictures. Yeah, that's about it. There's not much to say. Definitely not recommended. Thumbs down. I'll start doing this going forward on the video. And I'm sorry I wasted 6.5 minutes of your life. If you did like this video and this kind of content, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. This is again a non-sponsored video, so everything that you see on these videos are purchased by myself, so I'd appreciate the support. So yeah, that's all about it, and for now, have a good night and take care. Goodbye.